We elevate HVAC IQ for both homeowners and technicians. We're on a mission to save homeowners $1 million over the next year. So today we're going to be clearing condensate line and provide some tips for both homeowners and technicians. Methods that frequently work to clear drain lines. One of the easiest ways to clear drain lines, to go up there and give it a whole blow. I'll show you exactly what I mean by this. Method one is, makes you feel better. You clean this off, wrap your hand around it like so. Probably get some better decking aside from an old door. But wrap your hand around it. Sometimes that's all it takes to clear it. That's method number one. Another method, this one works pretty frequently. You just find the line and just method two, tap it. Tap method. Say maybe 1 out of 5, maybe even 2 out of 5. That does clear it sometimes. And then method 3, a little more involved. We gotta cut the line and either hook up a wet dry vac some way, or nitrogen. Compressed air works too if you don't have nitrogen. You literally blow out the line. So after you've cleared the drain, whether you blew it out, sucked it out, tapped it out, for homeowners and technicians both, it's always a good idea to flush it with warm water. So if you don't have a T like that, would recommend installing one, especially where you cut it, to service it or blow it out, suck it out. If you were to put a T there, my advice for homeowners and technicians would be make sure it is above the primary drain pan in there, because if it does back up somewhere and you just put a T there to pour your bleach and water in, water's going to seek its own level, its own plane, so to speak. So if it backed up, it's just all going to pour out right here. So if you did have a T here that you wanted to put in so that you could pour bleach, there's also this other product out there I'll give a shout out to. It works pretty well from what I've heard from a lot of homeowners. But if you needed to add somewhere to pour stuff down with the T, cut it, put that in, make sure that you extend it up above the primary drain pan, which primary drain pan is inside this evaporator coil right there. Ooh. As the flush with warm water part goes, get you a pail like so. Just pour this. In addition, this also lets you leak check where you cut it. Let's go see if we got that drain clear. Looks like some water's definitely come out of it now. If you notice, got a nice little piece of gunk here. We got it clear. This is where the drain came out of the attic. And as you can see where this moisture is down here, got the line clear. You can actually see it dripping now. After you get the drain line cleared, I highly recommend investing in one of these. It makes future maintenance and drain line purge, drain line clears for your AC system much more convenient for homeowners. If you've actually done some of the stuff I'm suggesting in my videos, please subscribe, and most importantly, comment below what you did so I can track how much money I'm saving homeowners. I'm on a mission to save homeowners $1 million over the next year. Please help me reach my goal. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you like what I'm putting out there. By the way, this thing here is pretty sweet if you're getting into content creation and don't want to drop a ton of money on a GoPro or what have you. It's a MagSafe. Clicks your MagSafe on there. You got hands-free. Sure, it's not stable gimbal quality, but hey, we're just starting out. We don't need all the fancy stuff. You work with what you got, as Alex Hormozy says.